for the people to come and see Muscat. They will see a real beautiful view of Muscat and amazing coastlines, and the fishermen also on the sides of the coastlines. You can see them, and it's really good view for the people who first time visiting Muscat.
My favourite for this 2011 Extreme Sailing Series here in Muscat is Artemis Racing.
Today I'd probably be putting my money on Roman. He has a very good experienced crew. He has 2 gold medals. He has 2 Extreme 40 seasons under his belt, so I think odds-on favourite, he'd be who I'd be betting on.
I think again the Wave, then I would say Red Bull, and then maybe Team New Zealand.
My money for the season is most definitely on Luna Rossa.
Luna Rossa. The level of competition is too close to call.